In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. First, open your Microsoft Teams account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main Teams screen, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation options, including chat, Teams, and calendar. For joining a scheduled meeting, the calendar is the section you'll use most often. Click the calendar icon, then look through your schedule to find the meeting event you want to join. When you click on that event, a small pop-up will appear with the meeting details. From there, select Join. This will open a new window and take you into the meeting lobby, which is the waiting area before you officially enter the meeting. This step is helpful because it gives you a chance to check everything before others see or hear you. Inside the lobby, you can decide whether to turn your camera on or leave it off. If you choose to turn it on, you also have the option to adjust your background. Click Background Filters to explore the available choices. You can keep your normal background, apply a blur effect, upload your own image, or select from the built-in Microsoft Teams backgrounds. This can help reduce distractions and give your meeting a cleaner, more professional look. You can also choose your audio setup while you're in the lobby. Teams lets you select whether you want to use your computer audio, use a phone audio option, or join without audio. It's a good idea to check this carefully before entering, especially if you'll be speaking during the meeting. Once everything looks and sounds right, click Join Now. After you enter the meeting, you'll see several controls across the top of the screen. These buttons let you record the meeting, open the chat window, view the list of participants, raise your hand, and send reactions. If you click the More Options icon, you'll find additional tools such as changing the meeting view, checking meeting info, adding a timer, opening video effects and settings, adjusting audio settings, and accessing language, speech, and other general settings. You'll also see camera and microphone icons, which let you quickly turn your video or mic on and off at any time. If you need to present, click Share. From there, you can choose your presenter mode, add a background, or select the specific screen or window you want to share. When the meeting is over, click the red phone icon to leave or end the meeting. And that's it. That's how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting.